Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to talk about digital sales platforms for creators. Specifically, we're comparing two popular options which are StanStore and Gumroad. If you're creating ebooks, courses, templates, music, or any other digital product, you need a platform to sell it, but with so many choices, it can be very confusing to pick the right one. So in this video, we'll break down the key features, pricing, and pros and cons of both StanStore and Gumroad to help you decide which one is better fit for you. So let's get started with the pricing. StanStore offers two paid plans, which are Creator plans for $29 a month and Creator Pro plans for $99 a month. However, the big perk is that the StanStore charges no transaction fees on your sales, while in Gumroad is free to set up and use, but they take a 10% cut from every sale you make. So now I'm going to highlight the key features for both platforms. StanStore focuses on giving you the tools to build successful online store. They offer features like coupons, email marketings, analytics, and even the ability to sell membership. While Gumroad is known for its simplicity, it's easy to set up and use, but it lacks some of the advanced features you get with StanStore. For the target audience, StanStore seems better suited for creators who already have an established audience and want more control over their brand and customer experience. And Gumroad might be a good option for beginners or those selling a smaller number of products. It can also be a good way to test the waters of selling digital products before investing in paid platform like StanStore. So now you have clear image on how these platforms work depending on your target audience. Let me recap this into pros and cons point. So StanStore pros is that you don't have to pay for transaction fees. It's very good for marketing and sales tools because it's very customizable. There are many customization options. While the cons is it requires a monthly subscription, and I think it might be overwhelming for beginners or for the starters. For the Gumroad pros are it's free to use, it's very simple and easy to set up, and it also built in audience discovery features. The cons is there are 10% transaction fee, lacks of advanced features, and also less control over the branding. So who do you think is the winner? Well, I think there is no clear winner here. It really depends on your specific needs and budgets. If you're a beginner with small audience, you should try Gumroad. And do you want a free option and don't mind about 10% transaction fees? I think Gumroad might be good for you. Do you have an established audience and want a powerful features with no transaction fees? StanStore could be good fit for you. And if you're willing to pay monthly subscription for more control and sales tools, you should consider to take StanStore. So I hope this breakdown of these both two platforms might be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.